Are you tired of sweating through summer nights, wishing you had the icy blast of an air conditioner without the sky-high energy bills? Have you ever wondered if there's a fan out there that can actually cool your room like an AC, but with less noise, lower costs, and more flexibility? Today, I'm counting down the 7 best fans that cool like air conditioners. I've put each of these fans through their paces, testing them in real-world conditions, and I'll share not just the highlights, but also the drawbacks, especially for the lower-ranked models. By the end, you'll know exactly which fan deserves a spot in your home this summer. Number 7. BLACK+DECKER Stand Fan. The BLACK+DECKER Stand Fan is a classic choice for those who want a simple, reliable fan with a few modern touches. It features a dual-blade system for improved airflow, 3 speed settings, and a convenient remote control. The adjustable height and tilt allow you to direct the breeze exactly where you need it, and the 90-degree oscillation ensures the air circulates throughout the room. I found the timer function handy for overnight use, and the fan is light enough to move between rooms with ease. However, during my testing, a few issues stood out. First, the build quality is hit or miss. While the base is heavy enough for stability, the plastic clips that hold the grill together felt flimsy, and some users have reported them breaking during assembly. The cord is also disappointingly short. If you don't have a wall outlet nearby, you might be out of luck, since the manufacturer warns against using extension cords for safety reasons. Noise levels are average, but at the highest speed, the fan can get a bit loud and even shaky, which isn't ideal for light sleepers. On the positive side, the remote control works well, and the fan is effective at moving air in medium to large rooms. But after a year of use, I did notice some wear and tear, and a few online reviewers mentioned their units stopped working after a season or two. 6. Dreo Tower Fan. Next up is the Dreo Tower Fan, which has made waves for its sleek design and smart features. Standing at 42 inches, this fan offers 9 speeds, 4 specialty modes including sleep, natural, normal, and auto, and can be controlled via buttons, a remote, or even a smartphone app. The auto mode is particularly impressive, automatically adjusting fan speed based on the room's temperature, a feature I found genuinely useful for maintaining comfort without constant tweaking. The Dreo Tower Fan pushes air up to 30 feet, enough to cool a couple of connected rooms, and its oscillation ensures even coverage. Assembly is straightforward, and the digital display is easy to read. Noise levels are low, especially on the lower speeds, and the fan's slim profile fits well in tight spaces. But there are some drawbacks. While the Dreo is marketed as whisper quiet, my tests found it noticeably louder at higher speeds than some competitors, and the oscillation range could be wider for larger spaces. Some users have also reported issues with missing remotes or buggy controls, though customer service seems responsive. The airflow, while strong on the highest settings, can feel underwhelming at lower speeds, and the fan sometimes blows slightly warm air unless set to maximum. Overall, the Dreo Tower Fan is a smart, stylish choice with plenty of features, but if you're looking for raw cooling power or absolute silence, you may want to look further up this list. Number 5. Lasko Oscillating Tower Fan. At number 5 is the Lasko Oscillating Tower Fan, a perennial favorite for its combination of power, quiet operation, and affordability. The 42-inch tower design delivers a strong, steady breeze, and the widespread oscillation covers an entire room with ease. I particularly like the nighttime setting, which dims the control lights and lowers the speed for peaceful sleep. The Lasko comes with a multi-function remote, 3 speed settings, and a timer that can be set for up to 7.5 hours. The fan is easy to assemble, and its slim profile means it won't take up much space in your living room or bedroom. The airflow is impressive for a tower fan, and it works especially well when paired with an air conditioner to distribute cool air throughout the house. One minor issue is that the fan can be a bit wobbly if not assembled carefully, and some users have reported a faint plastic smell when new, though it dissipates after a few days. The airflow, while strong, is most effective when you're within 10 to 15 feet of the fan. In larger rooms, you may need to move it closer for maximum effect. Despite these small drawbacks, the Lasko Oscillating Tower Fan is a reliable, cost-effective solution for anyone seeking a cool, comfortable home without breaking the bank. Number 4. TOSOT Tower Fan. The TOSOT Tower Fan stands out for its unique 3-in-1 functionality. It's not just a fan, but also an evaporative cooler and humidifier. With an 80-degree oscillation, a 4-liter water tank, and dual reusable ice packs, this fan brings a refreshing, chilled breeze that feels much closer to air conditioning than most standard fans. During my tests, adding ice packs and water made a noticeable difference in the air temperature, especially on humid days. The TOSOT is quiet, operating at just 43 dB, and the remote control makes it easy to adjust settings from across the room. I appreciated the built-in aromatherapy box, which lets you add essential oils for a spa-like experience. The 7-hour timer and automatic light dimming are thoughtful touches for nighttime use, and the fan is lightweight enough to move between rooms. While the humidifier function is great for dry climates, it might not be as useful in already humid environments. The 80-degree oscillation is good, but not as wide as some competitors, so you may need to reposition the fan for full coverage in larger rooms. Still, the TOSOT Tower Fan's cooling performance, versatility, and energy efficiency make it a standout choice for those who want more than just a basic fan. Number 3. Rowenta Pedestal Fan. Cracking the top 3, the Rowenta Pedestal Fan is a premium model that combines power, silence, and flexibility. The turbo silence technology is no gimmick. This fan is remarkably quiet, even on the higher speed settings, making it perfect for bedrooms or TV rooms where noise is a concern. With 5 speed settings, including turbo boost for maximum airflow and silent night for ultra-quiet operation, you can tailor the breeze to your exact needs. The Rowenta's build quality is excellent, with a sturdy base, adjustable height up to 55 inches, and a tilting head for directional airflow. The remote control is sleek and stores neatly on the fan, and the 8-hour timer and energy-saving mode add to its convenience. I was especially impressed by how evenly the fan distributed air across a large living space, and the oscillation feature ensures no corner is left untouched. Some users have noted that the highest setting isn't as powerful as they expected, and the price is on the higher side compared to standard fans. However, the combination of quiet operation, strong airflow, and premium features make the Rowenta Pedestal Fan a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking true comfort and peace. 2. Vornado 7803. The Vornado 7803 is not your typical fan. It's an air circulator designed to move air throughout an entire room, eliminating hot spots and creating an even, cool environment. Using Vornado's signature vortex action, this fan can push air up to 100 feet, making it ideal for large spaces or open-plan homes. I was genuinely surprised at how quickly it cooled down my living room, and the multi-directional airflow means you don't have to sit directly in front of the fan to feel the effects. The Vornado 7803 features 3 speed settings, an adjustable height 33 to 40 inches, and a tilting head for precise airflow. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, and the fan is lightweight enough to move between rooms. The build quality is solid, and the 5-year warranty speaks to its durability. One limitation is that the Vornado doesn't oscillate like traditional fans, so you'll need to position it carefully for best results. It can also be a bit noisy on the highest setting, but the white noise is actually soothing for many people, especially at night. If you want a fan that truly mimics the circulation of an air conditioner, the Vornado 7803 is a top contender. 1. Shark FlexBreeze Fan. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark FlexBreeze Fan, a revolutionary model that combines flexibility, power, and smart features in a way that truly rivals air conditioning. The FlexBreeze offers both oscillating and fixed modes, and its unique design allows you to use it as a pedestal or tabletop fan. The airflow is impressively strong, reaching across large rooms with ease, and the fan's quiet operation means you can use it day or night without disturbance. What sets the Shark FlexBreeze apart is its versatility. You can detach the fan head and use it as a portable, battery-powered unit for outdoor gatherings, picnics, or even camping. The remote control is intuitive, and the timer and multiple speed settings let you customize your cooling experience. During my tests, I found the FlexBreeze cooled my office and living room faster than any other fan on this list, and the ability to move it seamlessly between indoor and outdoor spaces is a game changer. There are very few downsides to the FlexBreeze. The price is higher than most standard fans, but you're getting unmatched performance and flexibility. If you want a fan that truly cools like an air conditioner without the installation, noise, or energy costs, the Shark FlexBreeze is the clear winner. Final thought. So there you have it, 7 fans that can help you beat the heat like never before. Whether you're looking for smart features, silent operation, or the closest thing to AC in fan form, there's an option here for every home and budget. Stay cool, and let me know which fan you're choosing this summer.